This is just a very quick impromptu video. I received this today, and what this is there we go, a Pioneer PX-V60, and this is an MSX1 machine. It's a very specific MSX1 machine that I needed for an upcoming project. But basically, because it's in effectively brand new in box condition, obviously this has been sitting somewhere not ideal for box storage, but anyway, because it's in effectively brand new in box condition, I figured we would open it up on camera just to take a look before I start playing with stuff. So right, let's do it. Quite like those little flap things. I'm in a slightly different place recording. I'm actually in my living room. My 3D printer is right here, and this is the table it normally sits on, so I've cleared this. Now that's because I don't have the room at the moment in Nerdhaven to do this kind of recording, mainly because the recent purchases have filled up the room quite a bit. Right, anyway, so that's it. We've got the polys here with lots of smudgy dirt and stuff, and dilapidated, no longer sticky sellotape on bags. Over here, there we go. We have our manual and I guess warranty card. So you get a quick look at the machine there. It's a two-part system. See, a lot of the MSXs I've had, apart from the Hitachi, are one-part systems. They're more designed like what we'd consider in the UK as being traditional computer style thing. But yeah, this is an interesting one. So let's get these out. Oh my word, it's heavy. It's already heavy. Okay, I'm gonna have to stand up. Come on, you can do it. Ooh. Yeah, that's got some weight to it. Oh, let me just get rid of this box. Let's put one of the ends into my T. Didn't know, thankfully. Thankfully for both the T and for the box. Sorry for the squeaking. Right. So, we've got our little accessory bag here. Look at that. Demo tape. Various cables. Some audio cables there. Separate video cable, which is interesting. RF, which hopefully will not be needed. This cable, which I hope is a cable I need for the project, because otherwise I've got to make one. So that's all the peripherals. We have, assuming that's the keyboard connector right there. So let's take the polys off anyway. There's going to be quite a lot of squeaking. Right, so here's the keyboard. It's a very smart looking thing. It's in fairly good condition. Ooh, squeaking. I will hopefully have cut most of the squeaking out because, yeah, it's pretty horrific. Out comes the second poly. And let's remove this from some horribly gooey, oh, really horribly gooey sellotape. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah, that's gone for a bit of a turn. That. Oh, There it is. That looks in good condition. Well, you can't see all that properly, so what I'll do is I will set it up and I'll show you from the front. We won't turn it on just yet. I need to do some tests on it and stuff, but we'll take a look from the front anyway. And there it is, free from its packaging after who knows how long it's been in there. It looks in good condition though, that's for definite. Working condition? Who knows? Just because it hasn't been used does not mean it will actually work perfectly. Yeah, it's a smart looking machine though. I really like the grey and black highlights. There's a splash of yellow on the cartridge ports as well. Giant chunky keyboard connector. Yeah, that's a nice machine. As I said, yeah, I don't know when this will appear. It's for a video, but it's a video has multiple requirements. So this is the first one. So I don't know when that video is going to actually appear. Who knows? It could be next Saturday. It might be longer than that. But yeah, I'm really pleased with this. This does look the business. Right, just a very quick video. So hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you next time.
The present is horrible. The future looks bleak. Remember our childhood to get us through the week. We're getting re-enthused. Back to the past and the things we used. We all know that our pasts were great. Escaping the things that today we hate. Getting re-enthused. Getting re-enthused. Getting